Hey, this is Ian. In this video, I just wanted to show you how to swap out the logo here on the top left. Um, so what you're going to do is first go to the website, and after you visit the website, you're going to go to /login, and it'll prompt you for the WordPress username and password. So you should enter in your username and password there. You can just click on Remember Me, and then it'll bring you to the WordPress dashboard. If you go to Divi and go to Theme Options, there'll be a spot here for the logo. And if you just click on Upload, it'll let you change the logo to be anything that you want. So let's say, for example, now it's this logo. If you wanted to change it to be something else, you can select something from the pre-existing media library, or you can upload a new logo file. And click on Set as Logo, and then Save. And then if you refresh the page, it should show you the updated logo. So you can upload anything you want there, and it'll show up right there at the top. So if you make a change here and you don't see it, that may mean that you have what's called a global header, and your logo is, instead of being controlled in the theme options, sometimes your logo is controlled in the theme builder with a global header. So if you see that this is illuminated in green, it means you have a global header, and you can click on, there should be a little icon that shows up here with a pencil in it. You can edit the logo here in the global header, but normally it's controlled in the theme options. So that's how to edit the logo on your website. And if you need anything else, please let me know. I hope the video was helpful, and thanks so much. Bye-bye.